The topic is dying souls. There are many, many souls that are dying. As you are living here, your soul is dying and you don't know about it. As you are in astral or mental plane, it's possible that your soul is dying and you are not aware of it. The awareness comes when your soul explodes in the space. The annihilation of the soul is a great explosion in the space. And Master Moria says that many, many souls are in explosion in the space. So we call them aborted souls. They are aborted. They couldn't make it, the path that in which they are developing. The physical body dies, it's all right. Physical body can die millions of times, but when the soul is in the physical body, doesn't matter physical death. Actually, sometimes if your physical death is a heroic one, that you are dying for something great for humanity, that's all right, that's better. Because your consciousness expands. If you more dedicate yourself to the higher common good. When I was reading the New Testament, I found a jewel in it. Of course, there are many jewels, don't misunderstand me. Jesus was saying that, don't be afraid from those who kill your body, but afraid from those who kill your soul. So this means that soul can be killed. And he is giving a warning that we must be very careful from those who kill our soul. Now, killing the soul is two kinds. I thought I was not going to talk, but I did. Two kinds. One is that you yourself kill the soul. One is that you let others kill your soul. See, people in the world are almost 90%, 99% are not interested about their soul. They are afraid tremendously about losing their body. This is the difference of thinking between people. How many percentage you are thinking about your soul? How many percentage you are thinking and worrying about your body? And most of us when I say humanity, is worrying about his physical body. How to eat, how to make love, how to dress, to have good homes. Of course, this is all important. But if you are losing your soul, you don't have nothing. That brings us to the second saying of Christ that is related to the soul. It's very interesting. He says, what you benefit if you have all the world in your pocket, but you lose your soul? Finish, you are annihilated. What remains? So actually, people must start thinking about whether their soul is dying or whether their soul is unfolding, blooming, and reaching to its glory. And these is two issues that must remain in your mind until you pass away. Because after you pass away, you will really see whether you killed your soul, paralyzed it, or you nourished your soul.